Now I'm gonna be talking about separation of variable, the continuation of previous video. Okay, let's start by introducing the formula. Oh, sorry. Now you can hear. Let's start by introducing the formula, which is dy dx equals to function of x multiplied by function of y. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, one thing you need to note is before you use this method, you must ensure that the whole thing is a first order differential equation. And next thing you have to note, you have to see whether you can separate them into x and y function. If you can do both, this is the choice. If you can't do, you have to use other methods such as what are the methods? The first method, second method, and Bernoulli method. Okay, now let's try to do separation examples. So for example, one of the separation would be 2x plus 1 and then x square plus xy over 3 plus y. Okay, if you look at here nicely, properly, this is the top part is made up of multiple of x and y, and the down part is made up of x function actually. Okay, x function. Okay, here you can see that this is made up of x plus y. Here you cannot find an x plus y here. Here there is an x variable plus a y variable. Okay, let's see what you'll get. Whenever you see multiplication, it will be easier for you to separate it. Okay, it's actually 2x plus 1. It's easier for you to separate. Then it will be like this. And then this one, whenever you see a plus symbol, it's hard for you to separate. So you will get like this, plus xy over 3 plus y. Okay, this is a y function, this is a x function, but this is a function of x and y. So you didn't properly separate it, you only partially separated it. So whenever you see plus, it's harder for you to separate. So you have to use different method. Okay, let's start with let's straight away do a question. So the question that I'm gonna discuss to you is dy dx equals to y plus 1 over x. Okay, let me list out the steps. The first step is you have to bring x and dx over here and bring y and dy over here. Okay, bring them apart. Okay, then the second step is you have to integrate both sides. Integrate. Then third step is express in terms of y. That's the answer. That's your aim, to find what is the equation of y. Alright, let's try to do this. Okay, so if you bring dx, always put right hand side on your full side, so you'll get like this. Why is it not working? Okay, sorry for this messy writing. It's actually some problem over here. I don't know why. Later I fill up. Okay, after separating, you'll get like this, and then you have to integrate both sides. And you integrate both sides, it's actually y plus 1 dy equals to integrate 1 over x dx. Okay, the second step is integration. Now when you integrate, you'll get ln y plus 1. Here you'll have a constant, but usually here also will get constant, here also will get constant. You have to combine both constant because both of them are completely arbitrary. So you can combine them, put the constant in x side, so it will be easier for you to calculate. Okay, next you have to express in terms of y. So let's put an e over here, this whole equation e, and this whole equation an e. Okay, but this part you can break it to make it look better, which is ec. Okay, whenever you see ec, straight away convert it into let EC equals to a constant. Okay, understood? Okay, then next what you need to do, oh yeah, next you after you let constant, let's copy this. Now this part here, if you cancel, you'll get y plus 1. And then this part here, when you cancel, you'll get x multiplied by a constant. So y will be equal to constant times x minus 1. So this would be the answer. Okay, let's quickly do a next question. The next question would be uh, like this. dy over dx equals to negative 0.4y. Okay. Now this part is a bit tricky. Where is the x terms? Then how would you separate it? If you don't have any x term, you can make this as the x term, x function, then make this as a y function. Okay, now let's separate them. So this one will go up, this one will go down. You'll get dy over y, and then this one will go up. You get negative 0.4 dx. Correct. Then let's integrate them. So I can remove. Actually, you can integrate like this. Okay. When you integrate, what you'll get? If you integrate this, you want y, so you get ln y equals to, integrate this, you get negative 4x, then plus constant. Always put at the x side. Okay, when you do this, you can express in terms of y. Okay, and then this one, as usual, you can break it into two parts, EC, and here you can cancel. You get y equals to, and then cancel. Oh, this one you cannot cancel because this is e and ln you can cancel, but this one you can cancel. So the answer would be, oh, I forget this. Let EC equals to C, a constant multiplied by e to the power negative 0.4x. So this is the answer. That's all. That's about separable equation that you need to know. Alright, thank you.